pathology only on the one side of the face. Then you're doing whatever side that is. But routinely for skull series, it's both. That's your question?
Mm-hmm.
So, for the moment, what we're going to do here is we're going to do a right lateral skull. So what I want you to do is put this arm down by your side. I want you to put this hand here, that's fine. I want you to roll your hip up, bring this knee out just a little bit. Okay, that's good. So notice we put the body, the patient's body, in that 45-degree oblique position. Okay? This grossly facilitates him being able to position his head
That's awkward.
appropriately. Okay? Now, image receptors transverse. Right lateral, so we're going to use a right marker. Placed again toward the face, so that if it's in the structure, it's not in anything we care about. It's in the face. We're doing a skull. We don't care about face. Now, lay the patient's head down, and those things that we needed to talk about, right? Mid-sagittal plane. Is it parallel to the image receptor? And if I look at this, I can see that he's got a downhill slope. His head is going downhill. So this is a bad thing. It's got to be square. So I maybe need to get a 15-degree angle sponge. A towel would work.
Whatever you have available.
Whatever you have available. Now you look at this, and now his head is parallel. His mid-sagittal plane is parallel. Okay? You look at this side. Is it parallel up at this end as well? Okay? So the whole thing is parallel to the image receptor. And we need to be 10 by 12. Tragus is equal to what?
EAM.
EAM, external acoustic meatus. How far above that do we go?
2 inches.
2 inches, 2 knuckles. 1 knuckle, 2 knuckle. Okay? Now, what's the relationship of the interpupillary line
Perpendicular.
to the
Hour.
IR? What's the other line of reference we're going to use? IOML, infraorbital meatal line. What's the infraorbital meatal line also known as?
Reed's baseline.
Reed's baseline. Very good. There's learning going on here. So there's the ear hole. There's the infraorbital meatal line. So he's actually chin up just a little bit. So we need to bring that chin down just a tick, where this line is perpendicular to the front edge of the image receptor. Okay? Now here's a little trick. Here's a little cheat. Until you get that good eyeball line of sight, okay? Anything that resembles a straight edge. Okay? That pencil is perpendicular to the front edge. That's aligned with his IOML, and it's perpendicular to the front edge of the image receptor. So just grab you a pencil, throw it up against the patient's body part at whatever line of reference we're using, okay? And is it appropriately aligned to the image receptor, the front edge of the image receptor, the surface of the image receptor, okay?
You use your hand too.
As long as your hand doesn't curve funny. Yes.
You want me to tell you why you